going to a spot that my cousin took me a long time ago, and we used to always catch gar and redfish. So we're gonna go, and I'm gonna go and try and catch some redfish on this trick worm. Wait, and I got a little rattler right there in the tail. So we'll see if I can catch it. Alright, so we've made it to the trail, and we've got to walk like a quarter of a mile, and then and then I have to go down a big long staircase to the dock. So I'll get back when we... Alright, well, some orange tape. Just gotta skirt over that, and some water. Just gonna hop this, jump off thing. Oh, okay. Whew. Alright. It's a little overgrown, but I think we'll be good. Which that means hopefully no one's been here to fish it. So hopefully there should be something. Okay, that's kind of odd. Oh, I don't know where that's from. Alright, here's the dock. Okay. There's a big old sinkhole right there. Just gotta watch that. And, alright. What did I say? Health advisory. Oh, shoot. Dang it. Wow, probably not doing a catch and cook today. Of course it starts to rain. Like, why would it not? Oh my god. This sucks. Alright, let's get it over there. If it gets any harder if the rain starts getting any harder, I'm just gonna leave. You may not even see this video. But hopefully I'll find something to do. We may come back. If I don't catch anything right now, and the rain and I have to leave, I might come back if my cousin comes, we might come back, and because he likes it here. He says he always sees bass jumping, so hopefully I can catch a redfish. I mostly want a redfish because, alright, switch it up to a little worm with a spinner on the bottom, so let's see if that catches anything. At this point, I was hearing noises and I was there alone, so I just decided to leave. Made it to the pink rope. What's this? Nice little swamp right here. Let's see. Maybe there's some bass in here? Doubt it though. Wow, that's some thick pads. Let's try it again. Yeah. Let's see. I'm sure there's some type of fish in here. Oh, right over a tree limb. How nice. Must be a pond or something. Come on, I like this one big. Bruh, play it. Give me my swim bait back. God dang.